In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove your inner taillight bulb on a Honda CR-V 2017 to 2022. Depending on which side you want to remove, you're going to see a little cover on both sides of the left and the right. You're going to see a little opening where you can fit a flathead into it. You're going to put that flathead into it and remove the cover. To remove the taillight bulb, you're going to twist it to the left. And for the bulb itself, you just have to pull it out. That's how you get it out. The bulb number is 7443. To put it back on, you just put it on until you hear a click. And to put it back into place, you just align it and then you twist it to the right.